Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cash out your Sweatcoin. It's an easy process. Make sure you have a Sweatcoin account, and your next step once you've logged in using your Sweatcoin account is to simply head over to your balance so you can have a look at your balance. Make sure your balance is quite good so you can afford the things at the sweatshop. So simply head over to the sweatshop down here, the icon here with the bags. Click on the sweatshop and make sure you're on the sweatshop by clicking on the shop icon at the top of the screen there. Once you've done that, simply scroll through and you can find out that they are giving out CyberGhost VPN 82% off. There's also physical offers that they have, which are the smartwatches which you can buy and resell. There's rings, there's bracelets, there are also shirts and some other good stuff. And the premium exclusives aren't available now, but you can win up to $100 in gift cards and so many other options. So now, once you've been able to get yourself something from here, you can simply sell this based on the physical offers. You can sell those. You can also sell the VPN as well. That's the VPN logins and whatever options are available to you. So now, if you were to head over to the home, you can simply scroll down and you'd find the option to walk into crypto. Now, the Sweatcoin has its own cryptocurrency, which you can easily opt into. So if you click on opt into now and scroll through, you can find that it's actually a real crypto that you can exchange for Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin, and you click on opt in now, confirm your email, send me the code, and click on I understand. And once you've gotten the confirmation code, guys, and once you've put in the code from the email, all you need to do is download the Sweat wallet and you start earning the Sweat tokens. So another reminder is please make sure you come back here every day so you can get some of the premium gift cards and some of the other good stuff that are both resellable. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can cash out Sweatcoin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.